Hello, I am Dr. Che and in this video I will teach you how to write best way essay. As you can see, this is essay writing course in particular for IELTS and TOEFL exam and in general for any English learner. Please subscribe to my channel, look at the description box for updates and links to my Facebook groups. Like and comment to encourage me, share with other students to help them. Subscribe and press bell icon this one to get more free courses on vocabulary, grammar, writing, speaking, listening and reading also. This is an overview of my essay writing course. I have started from 4 assessment criteria. Then I would go for each type for different classes like time management, how to plan essay, how to generate ideas, paraphrasing, introductions, conclusions and many more videos. Then I would go for each type of IELTS essay. There are 8 types of essay. Then I would go we would write more than 15 model essays. I would write more than 15 model essays with explanation and complete step-by-step guide. Open playlist of my channel and watch complete course in order. Link is given below in the description box. Today I will teach you how to answer the best way question. Here is a question. Some people say that the only reason for learning a foreign language is in order to travel or to work in a foreign country. Others say that these are not the only reason why someone should learn a foreign language. Discuss both sides and give your opinion. You would say that this is discuss both sides and give your opinion essay because this is written here. Discuss both sides and give your opinion. But remember, in discuss both sides and give your opinion, there was one statement here, and in the second statement there was some opposite opinion. But in this case they have given first opinion, but in the second opinion they say that these are not the only reasons, but they have not written what are the other reasons. In this, no other reasons given here. No other reasons given here. So in this case, no other reason is given here. So this is not discuss both sides and discuss give your opinion essay. And other thing is, you can say here the only reasons. People say that the only reason to learn a foreign language is to travel or work in a foreign country. Others says that this is not the reason. So they have not given reasons, the other reasons. So this is not discuss both sides and give your opinion essay. This is the best way essay. They say that the main reason, the main cause, the main purpose of learning a language is to travel or to work in a foreign country. Okay, and let us have a look at other question. This is just to teach you. This is not a real question. This one is not a real question. This is just to teach you. I have written myself. Online learning is the best way to prepare for IELTS. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So in this there is only one statement, and I have said this is the best way. And you can also see other words instead of best way. Instead of best way, the examiner could use different words like the main reason, the only way, the main cause of something. These questions can be answered in a similar way. To what extent do you agree or disagree? They can be answered in a similar way, but to answer them, it is not 100% same as to what extent do you agree or disagree essay. So remember, instead of best way, the examiner can use the main reason, the only way, the best way, the main cause. Okay. So let us have a look. If you agree with the statement, that something is the main cause or way, that you can answer in this way. If you think that the only reason to learn a language is to work or travel in a foreign country, if you agree with this, then you can answer in this way. You would write introduction, then you would write body paragraph 1. In body paragraph 1 you would write reason 1 for being the best way, the reason 1 why something is the best way. Then you would write body paragraph 2. In this body paragraph you would write reason 2 for being the best way. Then you would write conclusion. Introduction, body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2, and then conclusion. If you disagree with the statement, this was as if you agree, main reason 1, reason 1 for being the best way, reason 2 for being the best way. You write introduction and conclusion would be the here. If you disagree with the statement that this something is not the best way, then you can write it in this way. You would write your introduction, note it down, it is very important, both of them. The first one is this one is also important. Then you would write introduction. Then you would write body paragraph 1. In this body paragraph you would give reasons why people think it is the best way. This is opposite opinion, why people think it is the best way. You would give at least 2 reasons here. Then you would write body paragraph 2, that is your opinion, why you think that this is not the best way. So to give this is not the best way, you have to give the alternative ways. What are other ways, what are the other options that people use, why people learn foreign language. And then you would write conclusion. For example, online learning is the best way to prepare for IELTS. The best way written in the exam is online learning. Other ways can be individual physical classes, group discussions, collective classes, group classes, group physical classes. So these are other alternative options. If you agree that the online learning is the best way to prepare for IELTS, then you would give your reason in body paragraph 1. Reason 1, because it is flexible, you can learn or study at a flexible time, and you can save your money. It other reason, and it is accessible at every place, you don't need to go to a city. So this is best way if you agree with this. If you disagree, this is not the best way, then in the first body paragraph you would write why people think that online learning is the best way, why people think, don't you think. And then in the other body paragraph you would write what are the other ways, what are the alternative ways. This is how you can answer these type of questions. Please look at the I would also start my writing correction service. After watching my complete course, essay writing course, you would be able to write very good essays. But remember, don't take your exam until you get feedback from any IELTS expert, and preferably a native English teacher. I would also start my correction service in the last 6 months of 2021. We would hire an IELTS expert from UK, native English teacher preferably. We would both work together to provide you advanced, comprehensive and cheap writing correction service. This is my Facebook ID. Stay in touch with me if I can start this service earlier. Also join my Facebook group for any other updates. Please subscribe to my channel. Look at the description box for updates and links to my Facebook groups. Like and comment to encourage me. Share with other students to help them. And subscribe and press bell icon to get more free courses on grammar, vocabulary, grammar, writing, speaking, listening and reading also. Thank you very much.